What's up, guys? We are out here going to do some fun
in the Trailblazer that runs again.
Yeah, check it out. Shout out to Slow Speeds. It does run. Yeah. It does operate. A little messy in here, but you know, we just got it on the road.
But so the Corvette flooded like 2 weeks ago, something like that. So we are going to pick up my new street vehicle, but it's not a street vehicle yet.
Yeah.
So we're definitely gonna have to go and make it in. Definitely have a lot of parts left over from the Corvette.
If you follow our IG, I've definitely given some strong hints.
Yeah, so go follow our Instagram, guys. Just so you know, like, when we're coming out with stuff, blah, blah, blah. But other than that, also hit that subscribe button, throw us a thumbs up. But we're going to be reaching out to a couple companies, seeing if they want to jump on board with the project, see what's up.
Especially some companies that we've kind of
had a little bit of dealings with,
a relationship with
the past.
Like Michigan Motorsports would be dope. To get them on board, get something on with them, just because there's been a little bit of a relationship. I feel
it's basically like flirting at this point.
Yeah, we're basically a little bit of flirting.
Like we post a picture, they like it, they share it on their story. You know, it makes us feel good.
Right. We do the same to them. But with that being said, we want to almost instantly tear into this thing, get the cam package thrown in there, or not cam package, we only have a cam right now, so and get on the strip, get out there on the strip while we can, because
there's still times like there's no possible way that we can go and like flip this and be ready for LS Fest and like
we are going
a month, but like we are going to it, but like after LS Fest there's still plenty of open track nights, etc.
Boost season on the track.
Exactly. So we're gonna go pick this up, get all the money taken care of, blah-de-blah, blah-de-blah.
Make sure it's a good deal, of course, first thing, but it should be. So other than that, we'll be back once we get to the destination.
Alright guys, different day because our banks didn't like each other and everything, but was able to get this finally. And Tony, what you think? I still haven't showed it to him that much.
It's a true lemon.
It's not a true lemon, but here is the new build. Just normal, regular cab, short bed, 4.8, dude.
Yeah, 4.8. You know, it's pretty much a unicorn, really.
Yeah, so it's gonna be.
At least to us, it was really difficult to find it.
Yeah, especially out here, that was actually moderately decent. Like,
especially
the rockers are gone, definitely. Like down there, blah blah.
But tell them how many miles this bad boy has.
Yeah, this little Larry has 90,000 miles. Goes like a dream. Like standard interior, blah blah.
What's in that center box?
Yeah, the center box that's back here that actually has the armrest, because that one that's in there is fixed. But this motor, normal Vortec 4.8, so it's an LR4, but there's so much room up here for activities, you know. Definitely room for activities. There might be, well, there's no might be about it, there's a turbo in the future for this. Definitely flip the manifolds, go from there, you know, like just one sitting right there. This isn't even going to be existent anymore. Like, what do you think?
Dude, I'm stoked.
Dude, you don't seem like it. Come on, give me some jumping jacks.
Dude, I'm stoked.
Be my little cheerleader.
There's a wasp nest in here.
You better be lying to me right now. Ooh, yeah, that is not good. Let me see if I can get you guys down there. Okay, that's all crooked and everything, so we're gonna forget that. But everything that's gonna be going in here is the stuff that was supposed to be going on the Vette. So the cam and the turbo, so that'll be going in here instead. But hey, man,
and it's a cat eye, dude.
Yeah,
cool, man.
Cat eye. I mean, it's grandpa'd out right now. Rust is a little worse on this side.
Need that SS bumper and roll pan on the back.
Yeah, I mean, he gave us his new stylish bumper. Yeah, there's more rust right there. His new style bumper where you can like step up and everything. Look all cool. But dude, definitely have some exterior things to do on this, etc. But hey, how are we gonna go and christen a new vehicle?
How are we gonna what?
Christen this new vehicle. How are we gonna make this a doghouse garage vehicle?
Yeah, we're gonna have to find somewhere to do a burnout. Are you talking about the exhaust?
I mean both. So we're definitely gonna have to cut this muffler off and go somewhere and do a burnout, because we're in a Kohl's parking lot somewhere. But hey, we're gonna go take care of this little Larry in our own form and fashion. So we'll get some rollers on the way back, but other than that, stick with us and Alibaba.
Alright guys, we're back here.
We're cruising in the race truck, you know, trying to find a race.
Yeah, we wanted to race him, but
Yeah, that cop up there, but
he didn't want any. So yeah, we're rolling in the freaking single cab.
yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, it's definitely gutless right now. I
Yeah.
mean, kind of expected that going there, but it's kind of sprinkling out too, so don't think we're going to be able to cut muffler off today at all. That would be a nice first day thing to do. You really don't want to go and get out in the rain and cut a muffler?
This is a stop by 7, so we'll see.
We'll see how it goes. But other than that, we're just on our way to test the launching capabilities of this suspension setup. If you want to explain in like easier terms what that is, Tony.
We're gonna see if it'll do a burnout.
Yeah, we're gonna do burnouts in this.
What the heck?
Dude, I want to go check on my car.
One wheel peel.
Hell, I think this little Larry can do a burnout.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Just a little one, you know?
Even if it's one wheel, you know, still.
Yeah, that's a work in progress. We just got this. We got things to work
lit
on.
it up pretty quickly.
It did light it up pretty quick. Slim wanted to get like a nice like burnout montage for you guys,
Yeah.
but
Another day.
yeah, this 4.8's a little spicy.
We'll have to
Stock 4.8.
We'll have to revenge ourselves. Is that the word? When there's a cam in here.
Yeah.
We'll just cut that out.
Reapprove. But other than that, guys,
There's some nice houses back here in
BFE.
yeah.
Yeah, other than that, guys, it looks like the weather's about to take a turn for the worse, though. So don't know if we're going to get any more footage for this. But if we haven't mentioned, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. The giveaway winner will be out in a couple of days. So make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Can't wait to bring you some regular cab content. Regular cab short bed content.
Unicorn, man.
Yeah, 4.8 power. You know, you got anything else for the people, Tonys?
No, that's all for now. We will be back. Oh gosh, can't even speak. I'm turning into you. We will be back with some power adders.
And some LS Fest action, because we're going there in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
And by a couple of weeks, it's like, what, still a month away or something?
Yeah, I think we're coming up on a month away.
Okay. Cool.
Looking forward to that. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys.